Good evening, professors of ours. My name is Jason Fernandez, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the No NYC application for Project 2. But before we get into the demonstration of the app, I want to go over the code that we were supposed to do for Project 2. Just a quick review. It's not going to take long. So right here, this is the code for the NYC Park Response Data class. This is all of the information that we're going to pull out from the API, from the Open Data API, and in the implementation file, I went on ahead and used the Open Data API Service object as a parameter for the implementation. I made a function here called convert response, which converts the list of NYC park responses to a list of NYC parks. And over here, I overrode the function from the NYC parks repository. This is also the code for the repository right here for the interface. So for this function, I went on ahead and used the character as a parameter for the borough code. However, in the implementation, I went on ahead and had to convert it into a string because in the API service, a string is required for when we query for the data for the borough. So it's pretty similar to the borough's repository implementation file, except that instead of using the local asset provider stuff, we just use this function right here to help convert the list of the responses to a list of park objects. And this is pretty much it for the data layer. Onto the domain. This is the code for NYC parks. All of the parameters are all the same from the responses, and with the use of the mapper file function, we could be able to convert all of the parameters from the response onto the parks. Pretty much the same thing. And right here in the repository, you can see again, this is the interface. This is the function right here, function declaration. And that's it for the domain layer. Onto the presentation layer. This is the code for the NYC Park card. And as you can see right here in this section, I put the waterfront logic. So if when we retrieve the response for a certain park, if the waterfront parameter is set to true, and we pull up the image of the wave icon, the
Okay, so we're here on the demonstration of the app. I'm gonna be running this on my phone. Reason being is because the emulator is on the Android Studio on my laptop. It runs very slow, as you can see here. I'm running it through my phone with everything, and let me just got it right here. So just for reference, this is a Samsung Galaxy S10. I forgot which version. I think it might be Android 11 or Android 12. I don't remember clearly. But yeah, let's get on to the demonstration. So we could click here on Manhattan. We could check Manhattan first to see, because they have like a lot of waterfront parks with waterfronts. So, and as you can see here, we have all of these parks, and oh, there you go. We already got a park with the waterfront. Battery Park City, a well-known one with a waterfront on it. It's popping up twice, but that's from the API. The API has it twice, and everybody's favorite borough, the Bronx. As you can see here, this is a whole different list of parks here. This has a waterfront, and I'm going to the last one, which is Brooklyn. This is my borough. So this is again, this is a different list in alphabetical order. I do want to go into one of these parks. The park that I frequent a lot, Betsy Head Park. We'll just click on that, and as you can see, it takes us to the link for the park. Let me see if I can minimize it. But it takes us to the website, and you can see the map on here. So just go back. You can pick another park, Bensonhurst Park, and then it takes us over here to the page for Bensonhurst Park. And that's pretty much it for the app. Again, I haven't implemented the search bar for the extra credits. It's gonna stay empty like that, but when I do press back, it's gonna go back to Brooklyn Park. And that's pretty much it for the app. Hope you like the how the app was made. Okay.